Do you look like I belong with a can of Stella?
I don't know. I kind of feel I ought to drink a can of liquid molly.
No, it's not junk. It's my car. Guess what I bought?
What have you bought?
Only the best car ever made. BMW e39.
So you've bought probably one of the best cars that BMW ever made. Looks quite smart, but it's a bit battered. It kind of looks like it's been dragged through a hedge backwards, though.
No, you're looking at the wrong angle. Look at this one.
Whoa.
Oh, it's perfect.
What about the other side?
No, no, don't look at that side.
It gets worse the more you go round it.
Nope, look in here.
I don't know.
It was only 350 pounds.
I think we need to find out if it's still good. 20 plus years on from when it's been made. Has it still got what it had when it was brand new?
So what's the most comparison car for today? Is it new 5 Series?
I think because of the size difference from the BMWs now, I think so an e39 is pretty much the same as a new 3 Series. So I think probably a 3 Series. If you went to a 5, it's almost the same size as a 7. But I think the e39 and the e38 were probably the best BMWs ever made. But 20 years on. Let's find out if it's still got its 0 to 60 times. Let's find out what the engine power works out at. See what the BMW e39's got 20 odd years on.
It's only one way to find out. Shall we go and get it?
Let's go get it. Let's find it. Let's have our morning drink first.
Oh, here it is. Look at it.
E39 wagon.
Oh, I love it already.
SE?
I really love it.
M Sport?
Nah, not for 300 pounds.
Beggars can't be choosers. It's got leather though.
Yep, leather seats, a bit of leather dye. It's gonna look like new.
Hang on a minute. It's getting a bit... What is that?
This is only battle scars.
Yeah.
I had a good life, good run. Boot still opens, still works. Oh, spare wheel as well.
Dealer,
what else do you want?
Dealer sticker. Last visit 2008. The all important.
Oh, does it have any
Has
tools?
it? Oh, full toolkit. Look at that.
All of them. Nothing's missing.
Nice.
Oh, that was worth my money.
She's not a Rolls Royce. Oh no.
Yeah, looks nice and straight. Maybe indicators missing, but other than that.
Oh, this is an active aero.
Didn't look that bad in photos. Well, you know what's gonna be. It's gonna be a race car.
A race car.
Well, it's not perfect anymore. It's not gonna be perfect.
When the chrome's blue, you know you got a problem.
I think because it was that cheap. Let's make something.
Let's see if it runs.
Oh, on the bottom. Look at that. All the pixels work on the radio, the dash. Needs a service. Oh, no one's been smoking in here. Look, cup holders. Oh, they work as well. Look at that quality. You don't get that in new cars.
Alright.
Radio almost works.
Oh, why is that a different shade of brown to that? What's going on there?
Special edition. I think let's get it in the workshop and see what's wrong with it.
The brake pedal feels a bit shocking.
Nah, it's fine. It will stop.
Whoa, it's an oil leak.
No, it's just wetting power.
Looks like it's had a new steering rack. Standard BMW bolts. Holding on by hopes and dreams.
Oh, so this is where it's leaking then. That's where brake fluids.
Yeah. That's why we've only got half a brake pedal. Oh, they look tip-top, Tommy. One thing that's actually really quite interesting on this car that we have found is that someone at some point has put 2 new suspension arms on it. And it also looks like it's had a replacement steering rack. But what we can see is that whenever you fit a steering rack, you should centralise the rack when you fit it, because you can see here you've got the amount of thread that comes out for the track rod end adjustment, and then this one here has got absolutely no thread on it at all, which says to me when this rack was fitted it just wasn't centralised on the car properly. That's something that we might look to rectify, and it's something they could have replaced these arms for this issue, because you can see up there the actual wheel, when the wheel turns on lock, it's actually been touching the bodywork, which is how badly this affects the alignment on the car.
So what's her plan then? Fix the brake lines, make it roadworthy, service.
I think so. I think we do a fair test on it and see actually 172,000 miles, 20 odd years old, what power we've got left.
Yeah. I think it's a plan. Make it roadworthy and see where we go.
Is it worth buying it? Let's keep an eye on the budget. See what happens.